Hands down, my favorite is always the otters. Can't go wrong with the otters. They're the cutest little things.
The red panda, they're just so adorable, and the fans and the guests that come in here just enjoy seeing them, especially when they're climbing rocks or, running around their exhibit.
The Lehigh Valley Zoo is a small local community zoo.
When we were looking for companies to sponsor and programs to start partnering with, we chose the Lehigh Valley Zoo because of its prominence and its work in conservation.
One thing we strive to do here is create empathy for the animals, and it's hard to do that unless you're up close with these animals, so that's a big goal for us.
Very good.
The core of what we're trying to do here is to give our guests and community a really great, well-rounded visit and opportunity to learn about our animals and our species and why they are so important to the world around us, and also the conservation aspect so they can learn about how they might be able to do just small steps in their everyday life that can help save them.
Our most recent partnership with the zoo is a $100,000 grant towards the new education facility.
It's a 6,000 square foot building, is going to allow us to triple our capacity for educational programming here at the zoo, which is huge.
The new education center will be an amazing addition for a lot of reasons. Not only will it allow us more space to house the animals that we take care of, but potentially bring in more animals. It'll also set up more classroom space and more event space.
This is Bean. He is a two-toed sloth, and he is one of our ambassador animals. He's one of our most popular ones, as you could probably see why. A lot of times these guys will live behind the scenes so that we are able to use them for encounters or school programs to allow people to get a little bit more up close and personal and make those special connections with them.
When Casella stepped up and became a big partner to help us with our most recent project, it was, it was like a godsend, because not only were they helping us on the day-to-day operational side, but then really investing in the future and how the zoo could grow and how they could be a valuable partner for enhancing what we are and how we educate.
We have a very strong belief in education and community outreach, and getting that recycling information and getting that conservation message out to all generations. The Lehigh Valley Zoo follows very much that same message of conservation.
We're going to figure out whether or not the item goes in the trash or the recycle. Okay?
We have hosted recycling education at the Lehigh Valley Zoo, and part of that is our cornhole game, which is Recycling Education 101. Each beanbag has a different item on it, and the children and or adults have to figure out if the item goes in the trash or the recycling.
Very good.
If you do the research, put in the work and dig, there are so many ways that you can help really live the mission of sustainability, which takes a little bit of work and maybe a few more dollars, but at the end of the day, this is our mission, this is our goal.
At the end of the day, our goal is to ensure that we're positively impacting the communities that we serve at Casella. So that looks like building really authentic partnerships with organizations within our service footprint, and really looking at those partnerships to create long-lasting relationships. And through that, we combine volunteering, community giving, and then tie in educational outreach to really build those out.
I think it's a little bit of a model partnership, if I'll put it out there, and maybe others can hopefully learn and really want to do the same thing that Casella is doing, because it's really great for our community.